Guys, it's Joe from Jordanbikes and welcome to the video of this Kawasaki ZX10R. What a fantastic bike these are. Claimed 200 brake horsepower and they are around that as well. Fantastic bike. This one is a 2018 on an 18 plate. It's 4,448 miles. You get adjustable traction control, adjustable ABS, adjustable engine braking, a couple of different power modes. You get the Brembo M50 monobloc brakes, Ohlins steering dampener, and you also get the big piston manual adjustable Showa suspension. They're a cool bike, as you can see. You've got your power modes, engine braking, traction control. Get a quick shifter on these, and this one's got some nice little extras. It's got the tinted screen, carbon mudguard, carbon rear hugger, tail tidy, R&G protection, and it's got a tail tidy on the bike as well. Lextec exhaust with a D-cap, and we'll get it fired up so you can hear it. They sound fantastic to these, and they look for the business as well. So if you're out on this one, this is quick, get yourself down to Jordanbikes, or just simply give us a call. Thank you very much.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very, very fussy and we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call, we can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in. And as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring. You know where we are. Thank you for watching. Cheers.